Welcome back Vega channel and be part of the family Coding Geek. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every weekend showing coding. New announcement, I have a blog, website check out on my journey.
Right now we're going to do this debug it right here. To debug it is just click right here. So right here, you have to click right here in 6. So that's how we debug it. Then we're going to click, we're going to go over here. It's supposed to be in 6 because we are doing is the int. To check it if it is this one, just do 6 and just highlight it and just like go to the local debugging. So it'll show you a black screen and it'll show you other black screen, which is the big debugging. They're going to show you how I'm going to show you what it's going to appear. So now we're going to put F10 and show you this. Then okay, so we have to click multiple time F10. F10, F10, F10. Okay, it doesn't show up. I don't know why it doesn't show up. It just give me the 2 error. So we're going to put 10 and 15. Let's just try to debug it again. Then go to F10, 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 then go F10, F10. It's still the same, but I think we did something wrong. What is it? Okay, I know why. I forgot the star. I forgot right here, which is to do that, just put Shift 8. So basically that's how it is. Let's just see if it's going to, we're going to put continue, going to refresh, going to change. Then if I click F10, 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 F10. Okay, it does show me the value at the memory address. That is the age case is pointing to 15, which we got that right. And also we didn't get a grammarly error. So it's okay, you can go back and edit. So now we're going to show you how we're going to delete. Okay, delete, which is age H case underscore file. The reason why I am writing like this, you can write it all together. It's just like the option is your option. So I prefer to write like this because since I am used to it, writing like this, a way for me to is for me a way for me to understand more when you code. Because sometimes when you code too much, like put it all together, it will get a little bit messy. And just like some point, if you get to a difficult part, it's just going to be like really, really, really difficult to make you make it easy. Okay, right now I'm going to show you when you delete it, what it's going to show you, and also if when I delete this, all of this, like this part, this partial part, it's going to show up, yes or no. We're going to find it out. Also, a video when it is coming up, there's a video coming up. It's about where I explain which website to use, better website to use while programming. So I hope you guys like that video, would like that video, and I will do it anytime soon. I'm going to post it on YouTube anytime soon. So right now I'm going to do is just, it's way too long, this programming, so I'm going to do like 3 part since I cannot upload long video. So I hope you guys see each and every single one of them, those video. Because it's just like going together with this project, it's not going separate. Right now we did this. Now we're going to see if it's going to show us the value. Also, it cannot display. You see this? Just give me a warning. So, also when you delete a value, just delete it because that's the process. So now we're going to do something else. We're going to do an object, which we need to do it. So right now we're going to the object. So we're going to write public private. Okay, for example, this one, then I'm going to put void what? Let's just put record, for example. So right now you see this. So what we're going to do is try to fix it. Then we're going to create it on right here. This is not count. This is this. Okay, now we're going to add name. Then if we want, we need to add more to it. So later on, I'm going to add more to it. For now, I'm going to show you how we're going to do it really quick. Which, let's just put dash n slash n. Then see, we need to put a plus. Then let's see why it's yelling at me. Because we need to include. You see this faster way. We can put close. Then we can go and see it right here. Right here. So that is it.